Hi and welcome to Muay Tea Culture Club. I am Dima and this is another Muay Chai morning where we drink and taste and talk about one of our teas. And today we have our wonderful Lugu Dong Ding Gaba oolong. And that's actually, Dong Ding is actually a famous tea from the Lugu province. We'll be tasting it today and finding what wonderful tones and taste notes it has and hides in its beautiful dark hazel infusion. So check this out. This is actually one of our Gaba oolongs, and they are super cool to drink in the morning actually because of their effects. So you get a kind of relaxing energy during the day because of the GABA that's inside. So GABA is actually a gamma aminobutyric acid, and that's a neurotransmitter inside of your brain. And it's quite unique to find it basically in a product because it can also be found in supplements, right? But that's supplements, and this is a natural product. And that's achieved through anaerobic fermentation. So quite an interesting process involving nitrogen. So it's completely crazy what they do out there in Taiwan. But this tea tastes very silky, like with notes of a bit of hazelnut, a bit of rye bread. So you get a slight sourness, which is very interesting to explore. This tea has a great strong smell also, and also of course taste, and is one of the middle fermented oolongs in our collection. So I would say around the Alishan, or like in the middle from the Alishan to the Ruby, you know. Great tea to try out. Also, if you're a beginner, I would definitely recommend the oolong collection. We have also the Gaba oolong collection because you will definitely notice its effects too. So definitely try this one out, or come by at our club at the Rozengracht and we will gladly serve you a cup. You can also find these ones online. So I hope you've enjoyed this Muay Chai morning. Thank you for watching. Namaste.